This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi in Vande Bharat trains. First, locate the rail wire hotspot network in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Select this network to establish an initial connection, which is usually unsecured. You should see a connection notification appear within a few seconds, indicating readiness for the next step. This brief connection process is designed to be straightforward, preparing you to enjoy all the onboard features and reliable browsing for your entire journey. After connecting to the rail wire hotspot, open any web browser on your smartphone or laptop. You will be automatically redirected to a dedicated Vande Bharat Wi-Fi login page. Here, you must enter your 10-digit mobile number into the designated field. A unique one-time password, or OTP, will then be sent to this number for security purposes. This step ensures that access is managed securely for all passengers on board. With the one-time password now on your phone, simply enter it into the required field on the Wi-Fi portal. After successful verification, you will gain full access to the train's Wi-Fi network. This allows you to browse the internet, check emails, or stream content from the onboard infotainment system. The service aims to provide a consistent and enjoyable connection throughout your journey, making travel more productive and entertaining. To ensure a smooth experience, always confirm your device's Wi-Fi is switched on before attempting to connect. If you encounter any unexpected disconnections or slow speeds, a quick fix is often to simply disconnect from rail wire hotspot and then reconnect. For any persistent issues that you cannot resolve yourself, please do not hesitate to inform the helpful onboard train staff. They are there to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.